Hello, my friend. My name is John, and I bring you cryptocurrency insights daily. Okay, today in this video, I want to show you, walk you through how you can trade Binance futures. Okay, so how you can place trades on Binance futures. Okay, in this video, you are going to learn how to deposit into your futures account, maybe from every other Binance wallet. Okay, so how can you place transfer money into your Binance futures account so that you'll be able to start trading. Then you also learn how to place trades on futures, how to place stop loss and take profits, and then how you can place stop orders and limit orders on your futures trades. Okay, so let's continue. All right. So before we continue, I want to share something very interesting with you. Something I wouldn't want you to miss. Also, I know you wouldn't want to miss that. So it's a referral program on Bybit. So it's a win-win situation where you earn $20 and I earn $20 for just signing up through my referral link. Also, we have the opportunity to earn $500 together and a lot more. So the link to the link I wanted to use is on the description under this video. Okay, so just follow the link and then do justice to that. So we continue. So the first thing for us to do here is we need to have a futures balance. Okay, we need to have asset in our futures account before we be able to trade. Okay, so how do we do that? We first move money from I have a spot balance, so I'm going to move money from my spot to futures. So that's the first thing you do. You get futures balance. So how do we do that? I'm going to transfer. You see the transfer tab here. Click on it, transfer. Then it pops up this window where I want to transfer from my fiat and spot wallet because I have a fiat and spot balance. Then I'll transfer the money to my USD futures account or wallet. Yes, wallet. So which coin do I want to transfer? First, I'll transfer the coin that I have balance. So I'm going to transfer Theta USD. So that's USDT. And then I'll be able to transfer from $2 as well, transfer $1, $10. So, but I want to transfer the whole balance. So I'm going to click on maximum. And then when I click confirm, it will move the assets to my futures account. Okay, I hope you got that. If you didn't get it, you can play back to understand the whole process. And to continue, I will now proceed to place my trade. Okay, so how do I place trade? I'll go to derivatives, USDM futures. That's the one I have balance on. I'll click on it and it takes me to the trade window where I'll be able to place the trade. Hope you're following. Okay, so what next? Okay, let me walk you through the window. Okay, so here is where you'll be able to select the coin you want to trade on. Okay, over here. It is slowing down. Okay, so over here is where you can select the coin. Search for the pair you want to trade. Okay, let's say I want to trade BNB is the coin I want to buy. BNB slash USDT. Okay, so all right, let me go for no slash BNB USDT. That was the mistake. Yeah, perpetual. So I'll select that. The chart will pop up. And in this video, we're not going to learn how to do technical analysis. The videos on technical analysis is price action and all that is already on the channel. So you subscribe to get the videos on that. Okay, so once this pops up in the window, you can actually get the other. If you don't want to trade BNB, you can get other coins by searching for it. So and then you come over to this side, you can see this isolated tab. Then you can see this 5x. This 5x is the margin, the size of your margin. Okay, so I'll spend that. Um, okay, let's start with this isolated. Click on it. Let me show you what it means. So this you have two other types. You have the cross and the isolated margin type. Okay, mode, margin mode. Yes. So the isolated is always selected because I've been trading isolated margin. So what it actually means is you are telling Binance that if I used $10 as my margin to place a trade, okay, if the market is going against me and it exhausts this $10, take me out of the trade. But if you are using cross margin, okay, it means um, you're telling Binance if the $10 I used to place a trade is exhausted, but I still have more balance in my wallet, use it to still keep me into a trade, okay, which could get bad sometimes. So we are going for isolated. Okay, so confirm. Then this leverage, the leverage size is okay, let me just explain it the way you understand. If you are using 10x leverage on your coin, okay, let's say you place a trade and then use 10 X margin. So if the market moves 10% in your favor, you will get 10 times of your margin size. But if it goes against you 10x, okay, you are losing 10 times of your margin size. I hope you understand this. So the lesser margin you use, the less risk you are taking. If you are using, okay, it's you can see it's warning you. Selecting higher leverage such as 10x increases your liquidation risk. Okay, so not most of the times I use 10x or I use less than 10x. Most of the time I use 5x. Okay, so select 5x and then you have set this. Okay, so you said we'll learn about limit order, market order, and then we'll learn about stop orders. Okay, so let me first off explain what this means. So if you are entering a limit order, it means, okay, yes, so we have buy limit, we have sell limit. Okay, so if you are using a limit order, maybe the price of by BNB is currently at 341. Okay, but I want to buy when it gets at a lower price, so I can fix my limit, buy limit order at 309. So when the price gets to 309, maybe there's a, I've done my analysis and then I'm seeing opportunity at 301 for the market to come down and pick up again, I can place my order at 305. I hope you get this now. Same goes for a sell limit. Okay, I want to sell at a higher price. When the market gets to this high price, I want you to place a sell order for me. So going over to market, which is the one we are going to be using if you want to execute a trade instantly. Okay, so if I select market, enter the size of BNB I want to buy, maximum BNB you can stake here with 5x is 0.27. So if I should enter the size I want to buy, say I want to buy 0.1. Okay, so I want to buy 0.1. Then my available balance is 18.62 USDT. So if I should place this and I'll be able to now click on buy. Okay, so see what it will cost me to buy 0.1 BNB using a leverage of 5x. isolated margin to cost me $6.85. Okay, and this is because of the what my leverage that I have. Okay, so this is like 5 times of what I, yeah, 5 times of this. Okay, so yes, once you finish setting all this, you can now place your buy order. Okay, so let's say I now buy. The same goes for sell. Okay, so then your trade should appear here. Okay, so you can see it, BNB USDT perpetual 5x, and you can see it's running. So over here is where I can set my take profit and stop loss. I see it. Can see that. So now I'll now click on edit here. Then where do I want to take profits? Okay, the price, entry price, the market price is currently at 341.2. So I want to take profit because I bought. I want to take profit at a higher price. Maybe let's say I want to take profit at say higher price of what's happening. Okay, so I want to take profit at 350. 350. 350. Okay, you can see it will eventually show you your profit. So if I should take profit at 350, I'm going to get 0.89 USDT. That's mega, though I'm not going to keep the trade for long. So over here, your stop loss should be at a lesser price, say a lesser price, let's say 330. And then at that price, I'm going to lose -1. I'm going to lose 1.11 USDT. And then when I click confirm, the orders will be so, but this is not a good risk to reward ratio. I'm not keeping this trade. Okay, so that's why I say let me just um, do it. So over here you can increase your margin from this. Okay, can increase your margin. Place the amount you want to increase with. Okay, so if I want to close the position, I can close from here. I see it. Good. So I have no more trade. If I want to sell, it's the same. So if you don't understand any step, just play back. I'm sure you will be able to understand. So I like to trade on Binance, and I've actually made a lot of video on Binance trading, how to draw trend lines and all that. So many videos, okay, technical analysis. But the crypto market is very much moved by fundamentals. Okay, but we do our best to keep you abreast with the information that you need to become a professional trader. So this is what I do, and I love it. Um, so okay, yeah. So if you want to trade on Binance, it's a very nice platform. Just check the link to the description of this video, and you'll be able to register through my link. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, maybe a part I didn't touch, just remind me. I'll be able to update the video in the next one. Okay, don't hesitate to ask your question, please.